Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. As you can see, I'm not in my bedroom anymore. I am in a new beauty space, the guest bedroom. I kind of took over half of the guest bedroom in order to have more space to film and do homework and all sorts of things. And I am planning on putting stuff up on the walls on either side of my vanity mirror, but definitely let me know what you think of this if you have any suggestions. Anyway, on to what this video is about. We are doing my May Facetory unboxing. I did sign up late in April, so I got my May box late in May, and then we will be reviewing the masks from the April box. If you don't know what Facetory is, it is a Korean sheet mask subscription. You can get either 4 or 7 masks sent to you every month, and I will have information down below about it and a link if you want to sign up. So I'm really excited because I just today used my last mask from April, so I'm ready for a whole new set of sheet masks. It says the same thing, just keep glowing. I love these boxes. They're so cute. They're so cute. I haven't looked in it before. I just cut it open. And then it says, "You're a sheet mask queen." And it has little instructions on the back for how to use the masks, but most of the masks have instructions anyway. And then this month's tissue paper is yellow, so that's cool. Okay, I'm just so excited. Come on. And I don't have any bonus masks this month. I just have the regular 7. So they have the card like they always do, and the first mask is the Faith in, that's wobbly. Faith in Face I Want Perfect Makeup Mask. It's like a primer mask which has softening, moisturizing, and pore tightening properties. It will just give a little something extra for your makeup routine. It has apple, lavender, and green grape extract. It's good to use right before makeup. So I'll have to try this when I have like a special occasion, like maybe I'll save it for my birthday or something. Next is the Feel XO Glowing Marigold Mask. And this is a mask that, oh, I forgot to say how much this one was. This one is $3.50 US, and then this one is $4.50 US, and it's just meant to give your skin a glow, and it has honey and celery and marigold, and the marigold is anti-aging, the honey is antibacterial, and the celery is protecting your skin against free radicals and giving it nutritional benefits. So that one sounds nice. That sounds like a nice treat. And then the third one is the Cosmeti Green Tea Soothing Moisture Mask. I think Justin will really like this one. He loves moisture masks. And it retails for $4. It's got green tea extract, raspberry extract, and that's supposed to help wrinkles and discoloration, and witch hazel, which is a natural astringent. So this is an overall pretty good mask, it seems like, especially for Justin, who gets breakouts sometimes and needs lots of moisture. And then we have the Lyagin, L-Y-A-G or J-I-N, I'm gonna say it's Lyagin, Her Story Aqua Mask Pack. And it has anti-aging benefits, and it's supposed to keep your skin looking young and fresh. It retails for $4, and it has bamboo water, which helps strengthen collagen and flexibility, seawater, which strengthens the skin's barrier and is hydrating, and hyaluronic acid, which we all know is a humectant, which, you know, takes moisture from the air. So if you live in a dry area like Colorado, this might not be the best mask for you. And I'm trying to get through these fairly quickly because I have 10 masks to review from last month, so sorry if I'm going a little quick here. So next we have the Wanjin Effect with Bee Honey Balm Mask. I don't think I'll use this one because I'm allergic to beeswax and honey and stuff topically. I can eat honey, but I don't put it on my face So I'll let Justin use this one. It's a 3-step mask that has ceramide, which is for moisture, and honey extract, which is for acne, and propolis extract, which is an anti-inflammatory ingredient, and it's $4 US. Most of these are $4, so I think I'm getting a pretty good value out of my box this month. Oh my gosh, guys, it's another holographic one. I don't know, I don't think it comes across on camera, but this is definitely holographic and it looks so cool, but it always trips me out when I see stuff like that. And this is the No HJ or No Huj, I don't know, Milky Glow Calming Moisture Mask. It's supposed to give you a glow. It has Portulaca oleracea, I don't know that one, extract with antioxidants that fights aging and skin damage, milk extract which helps moisture in hyperpigmentation and blemishes, and blueberry which protects the skin against sun damage and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. And I think that I'll probably use this one and not Justin because he has like dairy allergies and I don't know if topically it'd be okay for him, but it sounds like a really good mask and it retails for $3.50 US. Oh, this one looks cool. Look at this one. That's pretty cool. So this is the last mask. It is the Urban City Azulene Aquarium Mask. Retails for $4. It has, oh, I'm not using this. Has soybean fermented extract. Soy is like one of my #1 no-nos. It helps to restore skin elasticity as well as smooth wrinkles and fine lines. Willow bark, which is a natural exfoliant that will clear pores, and Cinnamomum cassia bark extract, which improves fine lines. So it sounds like a good mask, but just because the #1, well, not the #1 ingredient, but a large ingredient in here is soy, I won't be using this. I'll probably either let my roommate or Justin use this because I will get hives if I put soy on my skin. So those were all 7 of the May masks from the Luxe box, and I'm really excited about most of them except for that last one that has soy and then the one that had honey. Those ones I don't think it's a good idea to put them on my face when I know I react to those ingredients. But I got the Luxe box to share, so I have people that I can share them with and I'm happy to have them. Alright, on to the review of the April box. So I'm gonna review not only the April box masks, but the 3 masks from the Lucky 3 promo that I got. And I just wrote notes on the back of the mask of what I thought or what Justin thought when I used them. So I'm just gonna get started. First we have the I'm Sorry for My Skin Black Mud Tightening Mask. And this one I used and my skin felt super clean. Did not seem to make a difference with already active breakouts that I had, and it was very, very drying. So I probably would not repurchase this because all it seemed to do for me was dry me out. I felt really clean, but felt incredibly dry, so that's a pass for repurchasing. And then this is the Banana Milk Mask by Dr. Plus. Justin used this one and he said it was super moisturizing. He was really happy with it, so I would definitely get this one again to try it for myself or maybe get it for him because he had nothing bad to say about it and he said he felt so moisturized after using it. Then we have the Sweet Dream Mask. It's a deep sleeping mask and I tried it right before bed and it was so soothing and it smelled so good. It was so relaxing and hydrating and I felt really sleepy and tired. Like the aromatherapy aspect of it really worked on me. So I would definitely get this again. It was so nice. I would probably use it every once in a while so that I didn't get used to it. But this is one I would buy again. I really felt the effects of it. It really relaxed me and made me so tired. And then we have the MediHeal RNA Protein Mask. and this one I used, and I noticed it did smooth the fine lines on my forehead a little bit. It did brighten dark spots a little bit, and it also moisturized. I have nothing bad to say about this mask. I definitely would purchase this one again. I think it did everything it said it would do, and I was very happy with it. Then we have the Deep Cleansing Bubble Mask, and Justin used this one. He was really excited about it because I had previously tried a bubble sheet mask from Walmart. He thought it looked really cool, so he was excited to try one for himself. And he said that irritated him a little bit, which his face was red after taking the mask off, and he felt really like deep clean, and it was really drying. I don't think I would go for this one again, even though the bubble masks are fun, because it was irritating for his skin, so it'd probably be irritating for my skin, and it was really drying. This is another one that Justin used. It's the Bow Cross Rose Mask Pack, and this one he had such a bad reaction to. He got a rash and bumps all over his face, and he was bright red. It was awful. There is a warning on here about potential irritation, but this is definitely not a repurchase because, oh, his poor face, and I know mine would react just as badly. So pass on this one if you have sensitive skin, and I really can't say any of the benefits because all we noticed and all we paid attention to was how irritated his skin was. Then we have this fancy one, the Escargot and Caviar, and I tried this one and I felt moisturized. I noticed that my fine lines were reduced. Oh gosh, I don't know if you can see, but the Sharpie is kind of bleeding, so I can't see my notes. But I think I also noticed that my dark spots were reduced as well immediately after using this. So this would be a repurchase for me. I really enjoyed it. I think it did everything it claimed to do, and it had no irritation whatsoever. I really liked it. Then we have the Collagen Melting Chow Mask. This one Justin tried. This is a definite repurchase because if you can see what I wrote, Justin says this is the best mask he's ever tried, and he was so moisturized. He was raving about this mask, and I really want to try it for those days that I'm so dry. This is a definite repurchase, and if you're a dry skin person, I would definitely look into this mask. Then we have the Mediskin Intensive Brightening Mask Pack. This one was quite the disappointment. It didn't seem to brighten anything at all. It was very hydrating, but my dark spots that I have looked exactly the same after using it. So I will not be repurchasing this one because it's a brightening mask that didn't brighten. So pass. And the last one we have is the one I tried this morning, the Royal Skin Anti-Wrinkle Biocellulose Mask. This, I noticed a slight reduction in fine lines, and I did feel very moisturized, but there were other masks in this box and in the Lucky 3 set, I think, that had more of a reduction of fine lines and more of a moisturizing effect, like the Escargot and Caviar one. So I probably would not repurchase this one just because it wasn't as impressive as some of the other masks that I tried, but it wasn't bad. I have no complaints about it. It just wasn't as amazing as some of the others. So those were all 10 masks from the 7 from the April box, and then the 3 from the Lucky 3 promo that you can use when you first sign up. I think overall there were enough masks that I was really happy with. It was definitely worth the purchase price, and it was really fun trying so many new and different masks. And I really like as well that you can go on the Facetory website and repurchase the masks that you liked from previous months and have them sent with your next month. So I will probably go ahead and do that and repurchase the ones I said I would. I will definitely let you know in June when I unbox my June box how these May masks do for me. I'm really excited about some of them, and others, as you know, I will definitely be having other people try because I don't want them on my skin. Again, if you're interested in Facetory, I will have information and a sign up link down below. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!